Hello everyone, here we are in the middle of the jungle almost, presenting to you the new Zana auxiliary lights for all types of motorcycles. Sleek, urban, modern, enduros, retros, adventure motorcycles, everything. So here behind me are three big, very popular motorcycles these days. The Tiger 900 with the 6 LED 120 watt design from Zana. Very popular on the adventure motorcycles. In the center is a very rare motorcycle, the Harley Davidson 1250 Sportster with very sleek and very purposeful lights, which I'll talk to you about as well. And towards my left extreme is the biggest light, the most powerful that we are launching right now, the 140 watt ZFL 70. The functions, more or less, are similar on all the lights, yet they differ. By small points, I mean there are functions that you will have on one light, which the other light may or may not have. For example, if you look at the Tiger, it runs the 6 LED 120 watt setup, comes with yellow and white lights, high beam, low beam, all the strobe functions. But the 120 watt 6 LED comes with a unique function called the dimmer. You can dim the light or increase the brightness as you desire. In the center, on the Harley Davidson, we have the urban ZFL 15 light. It functions in the flood mode only and is aimed at the rider who uses his motorcycle predominantly in the city, wants a lot of value, yet gets a lot of power to make the road beneath him, in front of him, visible in a very big way. This light again comes with a yellow, a white and a combination light, but runs only exclusively in the flood mode. The idea being that the high beam or the spot mode will not be appreciated much in the city ride sometimes in some cities. And towards my right here is the baddest light that Zana Auxiliary has to offer. The 140 watt bomb of a light which comes with yellow, white, low beam or flood function, and then more so comes with the white high beam or spot function. Now this powerhouse of a light, as you can see, delivers a throw up to 380 meters, and that is massive. Now here we have installed it on the modern but very cool looking Interceptor Bear 650. And as you can see behind me, the power comparison, the illumination, the difference of it is pretty evident. There are more lights to offer from Zana, and we'll be showcasing all of them very soon to you. Thank you for following ZanaMotorcycles.com. Thank you for following our page, and there's more to come. So stay tuned.